Welcome to DIY and Reviews with Bill. If you love hands-on projects, honest product reviews, and saving money, you're in the right place. From DIY builds to testing tools and gadgets, I will break it all down so you know what works and what's worth it. Subscribe and join me as I take on multiple projects, put different products to the test, and try to help you get the best bang for your buck. So, without further ado, let's get right to it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the PowerBlock Elite USA 90 Series adjustable dumbbells. First off, let's talk about the design. The PowerBlock dumbbells have a unique, blocky design that might seem a little different compared to traditional dumbbells, but it works. The compact shape and flat ends make them really easy to control during lifts, and the weight distribution feels balanced. One of the biggest selling points is the quick and easy adjustability. Instead of having multiple sets of dumbbells lying around, you get a full range of weights in a single compact unit. The selector pin system is super simple. Just slide it in at the desired weight level and you're good to go. To help ease this process, they have color-coded the different weights, which helps to ensure you are selecting the desired weight for your exercise. Plus, it feels really secure when locked in, so there's no worry about weights shifting mid-set. Depending on which model you go with, PowerBlock offers different weight ranges. They have some that go from 5 to 50 pounds, or this set that I have, which is 10 to 50 pounds, but offers two expansion kits. One that increases it to 70 pounds, which is the one kit that I have now, and one more that increases it to 90 pounds. The set that I have is the older set with the smooth rubber feeling handles, but they do offer a newer set that goes to 100 pounds and even has the classic knurled metal handles that are on most traditional dumbbells. This means that they can grow with you as you get stronger, making them a long-term investment for your fitness journey. Another big plus is the durability. These are built with solid steel plates and a high-quality coating that prevents wear and tear. The handle is well padded for comfort, and overall, they just feel premium. Unlike some adjustable dumbbells that use plastic parts, PowerBlocks are built to last. I have had this set for about 10 years now. For those of you working out in smaller spaces, this is a huge win. A full rack of dumbbells can take up an entire wall, but the PowerBlock system keeps everything compact and organized. Whether you're in an apartment, garage, gym, or just don't want to clutter your space, these are a perfect solution. I can get a complete body workout with these dumbbells and I don't even have a bench. So let's break it down real quick. Some of the pros are that they are easy and fast weight adjustments, compact and space saving, expandable weight options, durable construction, and a comfortable grip. Some of the cons are the blocky shape takes a little getting used to and can limit some of the motions of the wrist. The initial investment is costly for someone on a budget, but still much cheaper than buying individual sets to match the different ranges of weights you have with these. Overall, I'd say the pros definitely outweigh the cons, especially if you're serious about your home workouts and getting in shape. So, is the PowerBlock dumbbell set worth it? In my opinion, yes. They replace an entire dumbbell rack, they're built to last, and they make it super easy to switch between weights. If you're looking for a high quality, space-saving solution for strength training at home, these are definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY and review content, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite piece of home gym equipment. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.